Public safety preparations are also in place in Washington County. That's where we find our Ricky Sayer live tonight. Ricky.
Yeah, the word here is bracing. They are bracing for this snow set to start in just a couple of hours. They have what's called a virtual emergency operations center set up, and they say they can move it all inside of their physical building if they need to. They would do that if any issues arise. Now, here in Washington County, they have been upstaffing their 911 center. Crews will be working 12 and 16-hour shifts. They are expecting an abundance of calls to that 911 center, and they have been in constant contact with their municipal officials across the county, making sure they have the resources they need here in Washington County. They don't have county roads to take care of, so it would be those local municipalities taking care of roads. But on the county level, they have checked their equipment to make sure it's in working order, and they do have a new emergency notification system that they are telling folks about. That's going to allow them to send out mass alerts. So for the storm, they could tell people about, for instance, a closed road. So that's something people in Washington County can sign up for. We did speak to the county public safety director. He told us his main concern has shifted from the snow to the deep cold we're expecting after the storm.
I would like to think that Western Pennsylvania, and Pennsylvania in particular, is kind of used to snow. Yeah, this is a little bit more than we usually get, but it's the cold. The snow's going to go away. You're going to be able to shovel your driveway, or the roads will be clear. And if you take it slow on Monday, Tuesday, you'll be able to get around and get to work, but the cold is not going away.
And one of the ways that they're working to address that is through warming centers. Now, part of his concern stems from the alternative ways that people be creative to try and stay warm, and sometimes that can be dangerous and that can start fires. He said that just today there was multiple fires that they were fighting. Now, he can't definitively say that's because of the ways people were hitting their home, but that is a concern for him moving forward. Live in Washington, Ricky Sayer, KDKA-TV News.